I have my fingers crossed that at this point in time, you've had an opportunity to try out some of the ideas that I've suggested in this course on how to get along with most difficult individuals. How did it go? Has your stress level reduced? Has your health improved? Remember, that's the whole point of the course. Reduce stress, and when you reduce stress, your health will indeed improve. So my question is, have you had a chance to try out some of my suggestions? And second of all, well, how did it go? Do you have less stress? Is your health better? If you have given these ideas a fair spin, a trial, and as it turned out, when you are with a difficult person, you are still perplexed. You are still crazy. You are still pulling your hair out of your head. My question for you today is, why are you still hanging out with this individual? More specifically, if they happen to be a boss, why aren't you pursuing other options in your career with the same organization or looking outside of that organization? If it happens to be the difficult person is in your family, perhaps even in your household, why do you continue to hang out with that person? Remember, the reason they are difficult is that they are near impossible to get along with. It doesn't mean they're bad people. They're not bad people. It doesn't mean that they're uninteresting. They are interesting. It's just that they are a pain. My question for you to consider then is really quite simple. Try out my techniques once you realize the characteristics of the difficult person that you happen to be having to deal with. Try out my suggestions. If you find you still have a high level of stress, then I invite you to pursue the even more deeper and meaningful question. Okay, why is it that I continue to find myself in this particular situation? Maybe a better choice for myself and my health will be to find other friends, to find another job, even to find another relationship. Perhaps this relationship has run its course. You see, relationships do run their course. We connect with people in our life who are close friends, who mean a great deal, who teach us many lessons. And then there's at a point when all of a sudden we realize, I believe that this relationship has basically passed through its full course. We can still remain acquaintances, but we need not to be close friends. Again, in summary, ask yourself the question, why am I continuing to deal with this individual? Maybe there is another option available. One answer to that question will be offered to you in, you guessed it, the next video lesson.